Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, guys, you can damage your bumper. We will explain why. Make sure to stay until the end. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW 5 Series generation F10 F11. That's a 5 Series BMW from year 2010 to year 2017. If you need to find where the tire pressure monitor system antenna is located, where you can find it, we will explain, guys, in this video step by step where you can buy cheap parts and tools. That way do not waste money and time, or that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays, engine and transmission problems. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 14 to 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. Those are videos, guys, that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Please subscribe so we can keep making these free videos for you. So what are we guys going to do next? Now we need to remove that piece right here. And how we do that, we're going to leave the carpet liner now. And here, we're supposed to have a clip. One is missing, but we'll show you on the next one. You pull the middle piece out, you pull the clip like that. So that's the third one right there. And then we have one more on the passenger side. Okay, right there. Perfect. Now, that piece, guys. Okay, let's look at it now to see if we have anything else holding it. It shouldn't. Okay, let's inspect. Okay, let me see here. It might be still holding somewhere. Probably has a clip. Okay, let's see on this side now if we'll be able to pull it out. Okay, something's holding here, it looks like. Let me see, make sure we don't have anything underneath. It looks like we don't, guys. Okay, most likely it has a clip. Let me see what kind of clip it has on this side, so we know what to expect. Okay, we need to go up. We need to go up first. Okay, like this one. And then we go back. Okay, that container here, it might have two plastic nuts there. You might need to remove it, guys. Okay, to be able to slide the piece out. Your serial lighter will be here, careful. Okay. Right there. And this one, for some reason, somebody removed it and it was unplugged, so it didn't work, as you can see. So you have the cable there. If you need to remove it, quite a bit of sand from the beach here. So we'll need to clean all that stuff. Next, we need to pull the whole bottom carpet liner here, and now we need to start, guys. Okay, removing these panels right here. So we don't need to remove all the way, all of them, but what we need to do now, let's start with that clip right here. We'll remove that one. Okay, perfect. This one came out. Now on this side we have exactly the same thing. Okay, perfect. Here, let's see now. Okay, if we're going to have enough room for everything, we need to disconnect the fuel opener here. It needs to go through the thing because we will need to pull that thing a little bit to the side, guys. Here on the back we have another one, another clip that we need to remove, and on this side the one here is missing. Somebody took that car apart in the past, and you can see now so a few things are missing here and there. That's why it's important to put it together exactly the same way you guys took it apart. So, okay, that carpet liner came out just like this one on this side. Let's go ahead and do that side now here on this side. So we can continue with the next step. Let's pull it out. It goes under the seal, around the hinge there. perfect. Okay, just like that. Do not bend them too much because you can crack those sometimes. So here now by the tail light, guys, we need to get a prank too. We need to remove that cover here. Okay, it has, guys, a clip right there. Okay, that goes in and to here. It's quite dirty here. We'll need to clean it. Okay, so it can go in there correctly as well. Now what do we need to do here, guys? We're going to get guys a 8mm, and we have now on the back side 3 nuts. 1, 2, and let me see, one will be okay over there. 3, and the wire, okay, the wire, I'm trying to see, you just pull it out. The tooth is on the other side, but if you grab it, don't grab it for the wire itself, grab for the black thing here and pull out. Now we're going to go ahead, let me come on this side now and start. Okay, once we get it in, let's move the head out of the way. Okay, I want to show you where it is. Perfect, like this one. One nut is out. Okay, it's coming. Okay, one nut is out. We have 2 more right there, guys. Let's go ahead, do those. Perfect, and one more right there. Okay, now the left tail light, guys, okay, should come out. We might have a holder here, we'll check. Okay, let's grab it, pull it straight back. Okay, 1 second. Wiggle it a little bit. Now it comes out because that bolt is there, so you need to come out a little bit on this side somehow. I see the bolt being stuck, so let's see. Maybe we need to come on this side out and then pull it out. Yep, just like this one. Those are the bolts. Let us show you now. 1, 2, 3. There is no holders, no special clips. There is one guide right here that goes, okay, in that hole. Right there, guys. That's where the bolt goes. That's where the thing goes. That's where the wires go. This is the other bolt and one on top right there. And the left tail light came out just like this one. So the tail light on the right side, on the passenger side. Now we have 1 nut here, 2 nuts right there, and we have 1 nut over here. And the wire, of course. The wire for the black thing, and pull it out. Now let's go ahead, okay, and remove, guys, the nuts now. Okay. I'm trying to get a little bit of light so we don't drop the nut because those nuts could be hard to find. Okay, perfect. It's about, guys, okay, to come out. So remember, we wiggle it. Oh, we need to remove that cover. We forgot that cover on this side. So we come on top, go up, it lifts up, guys. And when it lifts up, okay, you slide it over. Here we need to clean quite a bit before we put it together. Next, we grab it, we wiggle it, come on this side out, then on the other one. And the right tail light came out, you can see, just like this one. Next, guys, we need to come on the left side. Here with an 8mm socket we need to remove some screws that hold the bumper to the fender liner. So that's what we guys doing next. Right here, we're going to go ahead and unscrew those. If you use a shorter socket and a ratchet, you don't even need to remove your rear wheels, which will be way more convenient. We have the car in the air on that quick jack here. We'll put a link in the description, the video below, where you can get it from. It makes life a little bit easier. One is out. We have, guys, 2 more. One facing this way, okay, right there. Perfect. And then we have one that's on top of it. It's kind of like vertical. You can see that one there. Okay, we'll approach that one from a 90-degree angle. So this one is almost out. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to go ahead and get the other one. This one, I think we'll be able to use the little impact and make it a little bit careful. There will be dust and dirt there and it can get in your eyes. It's loose on that side. Now we need to do exactly the same thing on the other side, but here we need to remove that 8mm. Okay, perfect. And not to remove things yet. Now we're gonna go on the right side, on the passenger side. We need to do exactly the same thing here. And what we're talking, okay, right there, 1, 2, and the one on top. Oh, came loose. Good job, Bob. Good, good, good. Okay, 2 more. One here on the bottom. Okay, it's coming loose. And one on the other side. After that, we need to go on the back under the car. You will see why we need to remove 3 more hidden bolts with a 10mm socket. Okay, good job. Next, we're going to come underneath, guys, and here underneath. Okay, first on top, right there, 8mm, and it comes off. Next, we're going to come under the car. We have just 3 bolts that we need to remove with a 10mm socket. And these 3 bolts, guys, are right there, 1, 2, 3. So let's go here and pull these ones out. Okay. Careful again not to have dust here and stuff. Perfect. This one came out. This one comes with the bumper, like that one. Now, if we grab here on the side, okay, we can get it out of the clips. Check this thing out. Let me make sure we don't have anything here. Nothing's holding. Okay, 1 second. Okay, right here, we found, okay, that one goes in the, let me see now. We have 1 bolt right there that I need to see. That's from the thermal shield. I want to see if it comes. Okay, the bumper is supposed to come out of the bracket here. Okay, that bumper is supposed to come out of this bracket. So we need to pull that one out. Okay, so we might need to use a small screwdriver to help it come out. So, okay guys, here there is a little bitty gap. One is out. Careful, don't, if you pry those too much, it's gonna crack. Okay, this one is loose, guys. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of dirt here. We need to vacuum. Now we need to do the same thing, exactly the same thing on the other side here. And how are we gonna do that? Again, the same way. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and we're coming from the top. Okay, let me get the camera here. Here, guys. Okay, let's see. This one is supposed to come with the bumper. So now, here you can see you just pull it gently. Here you have a few holders as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and pull those gently out without breaking, okay, without breaking them out. Okay, this one is stuck right here a little bit. Okay, perfect. This one is out. Now we need to come on this side. This one is not installed correctly. It was removed before, it's cracked. So we need to be careful here. Okay, it came off. And let's see if the whole bumper is going to slide out now. Let's see what else. Okay, it's holding it. So we'll come underneath. From what we see, that piece here, it's still holding, guys. So these clips, we're going to go ahead and remove them. Okay, you pull the middle piece out, and then, okay, the clip comes out, guys. Okay, you can see like this one. And we keep doing that, okay, for all of them. Okay, one more out. So we have 2, 4, 6 clips that we will, guys, need to remove. Okay, let's see now. It's coming off. 3 more to go. We're almost there, guys. And that bumper should be able to come out now. We'll see. Okay, a lot of dirt and dust here. We'll need to vacuum the garage liner. Last one. Perfect, it came off. Now, let's see if that bumper is going to come out. And it does. Nothing else is holding it, guys. So, all we have to do now, grab it. And when we grab it, okay, just gentle with your edges, it's going to come off all the way like that, you can see. So guys, once you remove the bumper, where is that antenna? Sometimes you can actually, guys, go ahead and remove the antenna without removing the bumper. But you need to remove that black piece on the bottom and kind of like stretch the bumper, but you don't want to damage it, guys. For any of you looking for the antenna now, look at that thing now. Okay, that's the back of the car here, next to the exhaust on the left side. That's the driver's side. Right here, guys, okay, that's where your tire pressure monitor system antenna is located. This is the device right here. If you have a TPMS light, tire pressure light, always check that antenna as well, guys. It could be a bad sensor. For any of you that want to see how to program TPMS sensor on a BMW and how to test which one is bad, guys, we have a complete video that will teach you about that. But with the help of a Maxi TPMS right here system, guys, okay, we can easily verify which sensor is good. You just select, okay, the make and model that you need. For instance, ours is BMW. Yes, ours is 5 Series. Let's confirm that. Watch this thing now, how easy it is. And specifically, ours is 2010 to 2014. And scan, single sensor. We click yes. And we'll click the trigger button when we come next to the sensor. So check this thing out now. Okay, let me remove that sensor out of here, because that's a different sensor. And it's going to read it now, guys. Okay, and find out if you have a bad sensor, or if you guys, okay, have a bad, okay, bad tire pressure monitor system antenna as well. So let's see if it's going to read it now. Now there is a little bit of a difference that we need to check as well, because on ours, actually, the wheels are from a newer BMW, so I might need to go back. Okay, let me show you now. Exit. Okay, and we're going to select 2014 to 16 model. Let's see if that one was the one, because, okay, right there. Yep, ours was from 2015 wheels. And the sensor works. You can see 25 degrees, pressure, and all that stuff. We need to inflate the tire right here, but you can see, guys, okay, it does it. Okay, it works. Okay, actually it caught the other one. It's 23 degrees, 31.9 psi. That's the sensor, and you can check all of them like that. It takes only 1 second. But if you don't have a bad sensor, guys, okay, now if you haven't driven the car, they might need time a little bit to wake up. This one is 26.5 psi, 24 degrees. But that's where the tire pressure monitor system antenna is located, for any of you looking for it. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.